So we're in Clovis, California. Just finished installing a Bradford White 40-gallon natural gas water heater. Up at the top here, we've got you a Watts 3/4 turn ball valve. We like to replace as much plumbing as possible when we're out here doing water heaters, just because we don't want to come back and charge you $200 to do a service call to replace a supply line or a shutoff valve, something like that. So we just feel that's the way to do business. Not everybody agrees, but that's what we do. So existing piping coming out of the lots of galvanized. That's your pipe, whole house, galvanized pipe, underground, hot and cold. Stubbed out here, brass valve, brass nipple, and then stainless steel connector. These are Falcon stainless steel, 0.725 inside diameter, and if you can do your math, that's almost 3/4 of an inch. These are the largest in the industry, the most expensive in the industry, but that's what we use. Little brass extension right here. Same thing on the hot side. Valve is not required on the hot side. It's just cold water shut off to the unit, and then a hot connector down to another brass extension. Brand new vent pipe up into the ceiling bucket. You can see up there, that's your existing ceiling bucket. Dual wall B vent up in the attic through roof. And of course our single wall pipe, code 6 inches away, so we're well within code. Down here to an adjustable 90, down to the draft converter, which comes with the unit. Relief valve sitting here comes with the unit as well. This is temperature and or pressure safety valve, so if you get build up of either one of those or both at the same time, this will pop off and drain to the side yard. Right outside that door, there's a drain line down there. Little short nipple, and then another flexible connector going down to there, so that's good. Top third, we've got the adjustable straps as per code, and then of course bottom third, straps as per code right there, and then of course brand new gas valve, brand new flexible connector over to the controller. We're gonna light this up, get it going. This is your serial number, model number right here. If you want to go to bradfordwhite.com and register this, you can put us down. Clovis Plumbing Services is the contractor that installed it. Get your warranty going on this. Outside of that, this installation is done.